Show.
Hi, I'm Mike Diamond.
And I am Miss Tina Arena.
And you're watching Homework. And what are we going to do, girl?
Today we are going to discuss some motherfucking topics in the rainy wilds of upstate New York.
I've got a Jew fro and a fishbowl of topics.
This is the real shit right here, children.
This is the real shit right here.
I don't know what we're doing.
I don't know, but I need some moisturizer. What do we got?
Okay. The topic today:
polyamory, open relationships. What do you think of that?
Polyamory.
I think polyamory would be a great drag name.
I was just about to say that.
But I got there first.
Yes, you did.
Okay.
You did.
Have you ever been in a polyamorous relationship? Let's define, what is polyamory?
Polyamory is when you are in a either a committed relationship or a casual relationship that contains more than just 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people.
So like everybody involved is doing other people.
Well, I think the people involved are doing each other.
And other people.
And other people?
It's a psychosexual clusterfuck.
Well, that I'm unsure of. Because wouldn't that just be open relationship if you're in a relationship and you are doing other people?
So wait, polyamory, maybe we should Google this first. Polyamory is when you're sleeping with somebody, but it's not exclusive. And you're sleeping with somebody else, and it's not exclusive. And they're also sleeping with other people. I think it's called your 20s.
No. I think polyamory definitely is when you are in a relationship and there's maybe 3 of you and you are committed to each other, or you're in a casual relationship, but it's always the 3 of you together. That is the unit.
No, wouldn't that be a throuple? Which is like a 3-way couple.
It would be a throuple, but polyamory is a relationship that has more than just 2 people. You're talking about an open relationship.
So an open relationship is when the core of it is 2 people, but they can play around together or separately.
Together or separately. That's an open relationship.
It's not a gay thing. It's not a straight thing. It's a hoe thing.
But you're not always doing it together necessarily.
Well, what do you think about all that? Have you ever been in an open relationship?
I've been in an open...
With your consent and knowledge.
I was going to say unknowingly, yes.
Yeah.
But no, not knowingly, no.
Well, you know, Dan Savage has this great term, monogamish, which is when you're basically a couple, but, you know, there's a little playing around. And I think that's a really realistic, sensible way to go. Because you know what? You can't be 100% of what another person needs. And quite frankly, sometimes I'm just too damn tired.
I could not be in an open relationship. I just simply could not.
Could you be a tap dancer?
I could, a JoJo dancer?
Yeah.
I could be. But, and this is sort of weird, I could be in a polyamorous relationship. Because a monogamous polyamorous relationship would be 3 or 4 people that they are a unit, a family unit, and they're committed to each other and they have sex with each other, but that's not open. You're still committed to each other. I always think that if you are in an open relationship, eventually it will sow the seeds of
so to speak.
It will sow the seeds of distrust in your relationship, and I think eventually it'll just break you up. I think the emotional maturity required to be in an open relationship, most homos do not possess.
Most people.
Yeah. I think, listen, if you've been together for 20 years and you are sure of each other and you've never done it before, then go out and play with other people together. But if you play with other people apart, weird. I think that sows the seeds of distrust.
Could you sit there and watch your man fuck somebody else or get fucked by somebody else?
After the 20-year mark, probably.
But, yeah, but maybe not. Don't wake me up.
But you know what I'm saying? That you have to be sure of each other. You have to be sure of each other. But then, and it's certainly not within the first couple years of a relationship, because I think you're trying to get to that place where you are sure of each other. You know what I mean? And this is some real shit right here.
Oh, that was some real shit right there. Ooh. Hold up. Gonna rain.
Gonna rain.
Now, where were we?
We were talking
about
polyamory, children.
Open relationships.
Before the wind almost blew us away. Miss Shadaisy.
Yo.
What are your feelings on polyamory?
I feel that if it can work for you, rock on. The more the merrier.
The more the merrier.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, Yeah, I think I stated a moment ago that I think it is an interesting concept, and I might be amenable to polyamory, but not an open relationship.
You know what? I lied. I'm a jealous cunt. I will cut a bitch for looking at my man. I'll beat a bitch with a hammer, the claw end. Do you know what I'm saying?
The claw.
So yeah, no, probably not for me. On the other hand, I think one-on-one things are kind of boring.
Right.
And then on the third hand,
if you could get a third hand in, then bravo, children.
So kids, I think the bottom line is do what you want with whoever you want.
But do it safely, children.
Yeah, and for God's sakes, don't wake me up.